Hi guys, today I'm gonna go in a public, how's it called? Dark forest until I find someone toxic. Until I find someone toxic.
Jeffy,
Hi.
Jeffy, Macy, guys, the 99 you have to borrow from Jeffy, you have to borrow 200 gems.
So the thing is, I was gonna find someone toxic, and I hope I would never find someone. Or
You better
at
not.
least I hope it won't.
Bro,
It will
stop!
take very long. But I'm gonna go in disguise.
Yeah? It's not your account.
I'm gonna have to go in disguise. This. Oh, wrong thing.
I can't. I'm playing on this account only, bro.
This guys. This.
What?
And then let's take this and then
I
let's
can't,
go.
it's too
My stupid
hard.
heart. Don't know.
Yeah,
Let's go
but
find
you get that
some
much
toxic.
damage.
Oh no! I need ammo. Ew. Give me potion.
Help me!
Jump! Ah!
I can't jump.
Here you go. Here. Okay, that was a bit too late. I'm sorry. Don't leave me. Oh my god, I thought I would.
Yo, give me my minigun now.
No, it was mine actually in the
Kill
first
him, hurry,
first
kill
of
him.
all.
So you get the minigun.
No, it was mine. He killed me.
Sell it. Yes, good. Thank you. So you give it to me. You give me my guns.
No, do not give it to him. Kill him, Knight. Let's go. W. Save it.
I didn't do nothing. I just think I'm not gonna kill.
Wait, can you give me a sniper? I don't have a sniper. I'm a noob.
I was sorry for not talking. I was being very concentrated. I was focusing on trying to stay alive, but it didn't work. No. Dung 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 sahur. How are these guys up there? What the Sigma? No killing me.
Kill him.
No killing me.
Okay.
No killing me. No kill me.
No, you two
You have to kill them all. You had the chance.
I'm gonna kill you.
No. But that's too late. Why did it respawn me so fast? I'm the one. No. Meow. Wow, people are being very good right now. Today is a good day for most people, I guess. Maybe everyone's just happy today.
Okay, but Macy, I just want to play for a few more minutes.
Except for no!
Let's go, Night.
Ah!
20. W. Macy, just listen. If you let me play for 20 minutes, just listen. No, give me it so I can help you, bro. You're dead.
My sniper!
I don't care. You should go people too. Where they put it?
Where is he?
I made a deal. She lets me play for 20 minutes. I get her as many gems.
I keep wasting my money.
Trying to drink something in this game so I can get revived.
No! I don't like this! They're rage baiting me. If I die one more time, I'm gonna go get. Yeah, you hear me? I'm gonna go get a grenade launcher. If they kill me one more time, and I'm gonna make sure they all explode. I know. I'm gonna be a very bad.
I can't get you. Oh, shoot a sniper. You get the sniper on me.
No! No! I can't shoot! Bro! I got spawn killed!
Really deserve to die, some people. Some people.
Bro! Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Look, I don't want. Can I have it?
Oh no, my gems. I think.
Okay, bro. Wait, you wanna go mining
I
together?
think no one's. Well, if I don't find anyone, I guess the video will stop early. Huh? Cause 20 billion. Be careful!
Oh, swimming hurts.
Why'd you steal it?
I took it.
You stole my healing potion! Yes!
Kill him. Grab a gun and kill him. Take the rocket launcher.
No, I'm not gonna kill him.
Wait, can you help me with my task, bro? Guys. Still gone. I don't have the grenade.
Ra-pa-pa-pa-pa.
So, I have the revolver. Help me.
Come up here. Come in here. Come in here. I need heal. I need heal. Come on. Come on. Here, take this.
No.
Take it. Take this.
Hey, have a.
Oh. Yeah, take this too. You have 2 hands. So use them wisely. Ah. Ooh, 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 ooh. A sniper. No, it just despawned when I was. This is not fair. The game doesn't like me.
What's on you?
Come on, buddy. Why is everyone at the spawn now? Now that I came here for revenge, everyone is at the spawn. Wait. Oh! Oh!
Deer is coming. Can you put on the same fit as me, bro? What? Can you put on the same fit as me?
Money, money, green, green, money, all I need. Oh no. We need to run. No. No. Not today. I don't want to die.
1, 2, 3, 4. Gamer, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that guy died. Oh no. I'm back. No, the other, he died. Whoa! Run. No, 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 no. Sell him. No, wait. Healing potion. Hi. I'm gonna have to take this. What? You filthy animal. There's someone coming. Ah! No! Why'd you do that? Revenge coming, revenge coming, revenge coming. Stop! You're killing me! Why?
Thanks.
Stop! I'm gonna take revenge. I rage quitted. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm gonna take revenge. That's all I'm doing. I have ADHD.
Yeah, kill me, pal. I don't care. Cause I'm leaving.
He's so lucky right now! Yeah!
I stole all your stuff, bro, and I sold it.
I don't care.
got
I killed you.
88 diamonds, bro. Thank you.
Well, I
so
still
much.
have 460.
I don't really care, but thank you so much, bro.
Okay, we found someone toxic. Woohoo! Yay!